JustList is a free Android tool to help you organize your life using just lists. Various kinds of lists, such as grocery orders, medicine orders, quotations, to-do lists, shopping lists, recipes, trip itineraries, invitation lists, inventory lists, wish lists, login password lists, daily summaries, budgets, event preparation lists, and many more, can be easily created and maintained using this app. 3 different editors are made available: TextPad, ListPad, and OrderPad. TextPad is a simple, multi-line text editor which you can use for basically anything. ListPad enables you to create a simple ordered list. The OrderPad is a more structured editor that provides an order-like user interface. How to use these editors is completely up to you. Let us try an example. Say, you are traveling to India from the US. You have a tentative trip plan in mind, and would like to share it with your Indian friend, quickly, from your mobile phone. JustList is the perfect app for you. Create a new order pad, give a name to the list, in your case, it would be something related to your trip. Then, customize the order pad according to your needs. For instance, here, you are not gonna need the quantity field. Hide it. Then, type in your itinerary. You can also add notes to this list. Here, you can add your flight details, which would then appear as notes. After you are done typing, tap on the share button. A quick preview will be shown. After you are satisfied, you can then easily share the itinerary with your friend. Your list will automatically be saved in the app. You could also return to it and change it later if required. If you have created a lot of lists and scrolling down seems painful, you can quickly search and find what you want using the filter option. If you are not sure how to use the app, we have also given a quick guide section. Several other options, such as day and night mode, varying font sizes, and multiple font options are also given to help you tune the appearance best suited to your taste. Lastly, this app is completely free and offline. Login is not required. Hope you like this app. Do not forget to comment your feedback below. Also, if you like it, please help us by giving us an appropriate rating on the Google Play App Store.